today?
Four.
Invertebrates. What are they? Porifera. Porifera. Next one. Coelenterata. 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 Right?
Yes, sir.
Now next one is platyhelminthes. Right? What is next one? Nemathelminthes. Platyhelminthes, they are flat worms.
Yes.
Nemathelminthes, they are round worms. Okay, they are round worms. Annelida. Annelida, they are segmented worms. They contain segmented rings. Okay. Then arthropoda. What are arthropoda? Then mollusca. Their body is very soft, but in case of some organisms, there is presence of hard shell, hard outer shell, like in snail, whale, unio, etc. But in case of slug means that's in slug, in octopus, there is no. So the octopus, that devil fish, right? Yes. And the last one we discussed was Echinodermata. These are poorly developed phyla, means they contain the animals which do not contain well developed characteristics. Now today we are going to discuss about vertebrates, right? About vertebrates. Right? What is given here? Phylum Chordata. In case of vertebrates I said, I didn't say vertebrata. Vertebrates. In vertebrates, no backbone. Vertebrates, there is presence of backbone. Right? Okay, only one phylum is there. What is that? Chordata. So, what is the definition of chordates? What is given here, chordates?
Those animals which have
no cord in their body.
So, if their body contains notochord or notochord, small knob thread of knob at the back side, that is called either notochord or notochord. So, these all organisms contain these things. They are called chordates. How many characteristics are mentioned here?
There are seven.
7. What is the first characteristic?
A strong but flexible
Rod, okay, come on.
cord is present either in the early
Stage or
throughout the life.
throughout the life. You can touch backside. There is one hard substance or not? Rod-like structure or not? That is advanced form of notochord. What is that? Advanced form of. What is number 2? Dorsal tubular hollow knob tube. Backside, there is hollow structure. In our backbone, at the center there is empty. At the beginning empty, but that is filled with spinal cord. What is that?
Spinal cord.
Okay, that is hollow but filled with spinal cord. In case of human beings. Number 3. They have gill slits in the embryonic stage. When they are embryo means the structure that is formed by fusion of male gamete
and female
gamete, and when it starts growing, it contains gills. But in case of human beings, when the baby is produced, no gills are present. But marking of gill is still here. Gills are here. You just touch just down. Sometimes they say tonsillitis, you know. Is there some muscle-like structure here?
Yes.
Yeah. That is the portion where gill slits were present in early stage. But in case of fish, there are gills. In case of tadpole, there are gills. But when the tadpole converts or changes into or develops into frogs, gills lose, they disappear. What is number 4?
Eyes are originated from the brain.
Eyes are originated from brain. There is direct connection of eyes with brain. Okay. But in case of lower organisms, eyes are connected with skin. This one, not from this skin. Number 5, what is given there? They have a chambered heart. Chambered heart. There may be 2 chambers, 3 chambers, or 4 chambers. Like if the heart contains 2 chambers, then what are they? Upper chamber is auricle, lower chamber is ventricle. What is it? Auricle. A-U-R-I-C-L-E. What is this? Ventricle. 2 chamber heart. But the heart may be of 3 chambers. How many chambers can be there? 3. 1 auricle, 2 ventricles. This is simply A-U-R-I-C-L-E. But this is, what is this? Left
Left ventricles.
ventricle. And what is this? Right ventricle. Remember it? The chamber heart. So, which group contains 2 chamber heart? Which group contains 3 chamber heart? And why do you need the ruler? Going to measure the length of heart or what? When they do namaskar, they just carry the pen. Namaskar, sir, what is it? You are going to point the teacher. Namaskar means you use your hands only. Yes, sir. Why correct? Not done exercise till now. Do exercise. Okay. And 4 chambered heart means, what are the 4 chambers?
Right, left, right,
So,
up, down.
right auricle. What is this? Right ventricle. What is this?
Left
auricle. What is this? Left ventricle. These are the 4 chambers. So, the heart contains either 2 chambers, 3 chambers, or 4 chambers. Okay? Chambered heart. Closed circulatory system. Closed circulatory system means blood goes from one vessel, blood vessel, and reaches in different parts and again comes to the heart from another one. Not from same. In open it goes from one and returns back from same. But in closed, what is there? From heart, blood comes out, right? And reaches in different parts, again it is collected here. So that type of circulatory system is called closed. Okay? Open means blood goes from here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here, no connection. Goes, comes, goes, comes. Understood? Okay, their body is bilaterally symmetrical. Bilaterally symmetrical means we can divide the body into 2 equal halves by cutting. Like this is my body. Take one sword, cut from here. 2 equal part will be there. What if you cut from here? Then will it be 2 equal part? Down, leg only, up, hands. What if you cut from here? 1 eye, 1 hand. 1 hand, 1 leg. 1 leg, 1 leg. Right? What is next one? Number 7. They have endoskeleton with the backbone. Skeleton lies inside here. Yes or no? For the support of the dorsal nerve cord and muscle attachment. Okay. Now it became more bright, and our heroine is very happy. Without heroine. Heroine without heroine. Yes, sir. Last time I watched one movie, Superwoman. What is that? Oh my God. Very powerful lady. Yes, sir. So heroine without heroine. Alright, students. Now we are discussing about the 4 subphylums of Chordata. How many subphylums are there? 4 subphylums. What are they? Hemichordata. What are they? Please tell me. Hemichordata, first one. Second one, Urochordata. Third one, Cephalochordata. Fourth one, Vertebrata. First one, Hemichordata.
Urodata, Cephalodata,
vertebrata. But our interest of study is vertebrata only. Others no need to discuss. Okay, that is given for outer knowledge only. So vertebrata contains altogether how many classes? How many classes are there?
Vertebrata.
5 classes. How many classes?
Five.
5 classes. Before that, let's discuss the characteristics of vertebrata. Right? So main characteristics will write now. Not all characteristics. Number 1, they have a vertebral column or backbone. This is okay. Vertebral column or backbone. Right? Number 2, they have post-anal tail and gill slits. We have also got anal tail, but it is very short. In case of human beings, it is hardly 10 millimeter long. How long? 10 millimeter. Okay? But you have seen the tail of dog. How long is it? Tail of langur is more longer one is, isn't it? But the tail of elephant is very small. Yes or no? But tail of cow is a bit long. From here to sometimes may breathe here after its cheeks up. May and brain is located inside the cranium or brain box. Where is the brain located?
Cranium.
Cranium or brain box. Circulatory system is closed. And what type of blood is present in them? What color blood? Red color blood. Blood is red in color because of hemoglobin. Because which substance? Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin, actually when hemoglobin Hb reacts with oxygen, then it forms oxyhemoglobin. Oxyhemoglobin. Because of this oxyhemoglobin, the blood becomes red in color. Yes or no? But in case of cockroach, there is also blood. White in color.
Yes.
Right? Not WBC. There is no hemoglobin in the blood.
Cockroach, blood.
There is no hemoglobin in the blood of cockroach. That's why it is white in color. Okay? Here are some of the animals which belong to vertebrata. What are they?
Fish.
One is fish, snake, toad, frog, parrot, and cow. Right? Maybe a toad is given here, right? So, how do they throw the waste material? Kidney, right? Kidney. Yeah. So many characteristics are given. Children. Now we have to discuss about the group of vertebrata. Vertebrata can be categorized into 5 groups, mainly 2 groups, right? One is poikilothermic, another is homothermic. Yes. Cold-blooded animals and warm-blooded, not hot-blooded. Don't say that. Cold-blooded animals and warm-blooded. Actually, we mentioned 5: fish, toad, snake,
Cow.
and parrot. It means 5. Those represent the 5 classes of vertebrata. But they are also further divided into 2 groups. One is poikilothermic, means cold-blooded. Cold-blooded means their body temperature changes according to the surroundings. Cold-blooded, poikilothermic means their body temperature changes according to the surroundings. Like if their environment or outside environment becomes warm, body temperature rises. And if it becomes low, then body temperature lowers, decreases. So here in poikilothermic there are 3 groups. How many? 3. What are they? Pisces. Next one, amphibia and reptilia. Pisces, amphibia and reptilia. Right? In homothermic, what is homothermic? their body temperature is not affected by environmental situation. If Bian Balami, right? Bian goes to Mount Everest, then his body temperature will increase or decrease or
Decrease.
Constant.
His body temperature does
Does not
not
change.
get affected by that Mount Everest temperature.
Because we are warm blooded.
Yeah, we are warm blooded means body temperature remains same. If pigeon is taken to Antarctica, body temperature will change or not? No.
Yes.
If iceberg contains 2-3 fish, and that fish is brought to Nepal and measure the body temperature, will there be change or not?
Yes.
In iceberg, less. In Nepal, more, because they are cold-blooded animals, poikilothermic, body temperature changes, right? I think it became unclear for you.
Me.
Yeah. If body temperature remains same, unaffected, that is warm-blooded. If body temperature changes, then what is it?
Cold-blooded.
So here are two organisms whose body temperature does not change. They are what are they?
Yes,
Apes and mammals. Yeah, right. All birds and body temperature, all mammals' body temperature does not change according to the surroundings. In summer season, does our body temperature become more than 40 degrees centigrade?
No.
Yes.
If we suffer from fever at that time.
Yes.
Yeah.
But during the fever of winter also body temperature goes like that,
Yes.
isn't it? Otherwise, we have got normal body temperature. Do you know the normal body temperature of human beings?
47
Yes, how much? 37 degrees centigrade or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit. Is that clear? Okay.
Nice.
Sir, fish is cold blooded or warm blooded?
Cold.
What do you
Just
think?
now.
Fish is cold blooded or warm blooded?
Cold.
Fish, amphibia and reptilia, they are cold blooded. Apes and mammalia, they are warm blooded.
So we are mammal.
We are mammalia. Human beings belongs to the group mammalia, right? Now we are discussing about pisces. So pisces are not so much well developed
Yes.
in comparison to other classes, and they are cold-blooded vertebrates. And now what do? We will mention their few special characteristics. Okay, few special characteristics.
They
So,
breathe through the gills.
yeah, first of all, what is that? They breathe through gills. This is very important characteristic. Other organisms, they don't do like this, right? Why are you biting the ball pen? Remember it. And their body is streamlined. Streamlined means both ends are pointed. See, anterior portion and posterior portion pointed, but middle portion is flat, wide, so that they can cut the water pressure and swim easily. Streamlined body, breathe through gills, and body is covered with waterproof scales. The scales do not allow the water to enter inside, isn't it? And next one, they have a sac-like air bladder which helps them to float. If you remember these four characteristics, isn't it? And if you want to say the chambers in the heart, how many chambers are there?
Two.
Two chambers. What are the two chambers?
Auricle and
auricle,
ventricle.
one ventricle. One auricle and one ventricle. Another characteristic is also there. They are oviparous. What do you mean by oviparous? Ov means they produce egg. They lay eggs. But amphibia also are oviparous. Reptilia also are oviparous. Apes are also oviparous. That's why this characteristic does not match. Right? But you have to know, oviparous means they lay eggs, and from the eggs, new babies are produced. Okay, which organisms belongs to Pisces? Labio or Rahu, Katla, Hilsa, Seahorse. Shark also belongs to
Rohu.
fish.
Pisces.
Right?
Sir, what is Kotla? Fish.
Kotla.
Kotla? No, Kotle fish. That is the name of fish. Buari fish, Hile
So
fish,
let's see picture of that, no? How is caught level?
Kotla fish. Okay, you say Kotli fish?
Office.
Different types of
Fish to eat. Now that name only comes, sir. Picture, sir.
Has it come on that photo? Okay. Whatever, it's not so much clean. Yes.
Kotla. Kotla, I am not sir. Beta day.
Beta.
Sir, that is Kotla, sir.
Yeah,
That
beta.
last one.
I don't know.
In first.
It was okay. Here you want anchovy, barracuda, betta, blue tang, shrimp, eel, clownfish, carp. Carp also different type.
Yes.
Big-eared carp, common carp,
Yes,
grass
yes.
carp,
Butterfly.
butterfly fish,
Bullet.
bullhead fish,
Swordfish also,
clownfish,
sir.
herring, lionfish, stingray. Stingray is very dangerous one.
Yes.
So I remember there was one crocodile man. What was his name?
Crocodile man.
He was very fond of catching the crocodile, and he was one of the member of National Geographic Channel. But he was attacked by stingray in his chest or hand, and he died. Popper, shark, these all are fishes. Sunfish,
Swordfish also there.
tuna, whale,
Kissing fish also are there.
whale, a kiss.
Yeah.
Sawfish, goldfish, dolphin, right?
Sir, where is Kotla?
Kotla fish. They want to see Kotla fish. K-A-T-L-A. Kotla fish. This is Kotla fish.
Mochi. Wow.
Muji, what is muji? Okay. Kotla. So what is the size? 1.5 to 2 kg. 1.5 to 2 kg. Kotla fish. Yeah, different color fish are there. Let's not see more, otherwise we feel very hungry. Right? Our tiffin time is a bit later on, isn't it? Okay, today in this class we are able to complete about characteristics of chordata, four subphylums of chordata, characteristics of vertebrata, and characteristics of Pisces. In next period, we have to complete apes, reptilia, mammalia, and amphibia. Is that clear? Okay, thank you.